In the powerful Oyo Empire, in what is now southwestern Nigeria, there ruled a king unlike any other. Sango was not just a leader, he was force incarnate. They said fire lived in his veins. But before he was a god, Sango was human, a warrior king with unmatched strength and a temper that burned hotter than the sun.
My king, the people fear the storms. Good. Fear is not loyalty.
Fear is control. Legends say Sango possessed a terrifying ability. I use thunder!
He could summon lightning from the sky. Power without control is chaos. And in that moment, everything changed.
You're losing them.
I made them.
No, you ruled them. There's a difference.
They whisper my name like I'm a monster.
Then stop giving them reasons to.
His temper will destroy us all, or protect us.
If you doubt me,
We serve you, my king.
then act like it.
You don't have to fight everything,
Power is not given softly.
but it can be lost loudly.
You are no longer thinking like a king.
I am the king! You are becoming something else!
Danger to your own people.
One day, in a fit of rage, Sango unleashed a storm so fierce, it burned his own palace. Respect me!
This is not who you are.
What have I done? Haunted by what he had done, abandoned by those he ruled, Sango vanished. Some say he took his own life, others say he ascended. But one thing is certain, the story didn't end there.
You're losing them. You don't have to fight everything.
I was their king. If I cannot rule as a man, then I will become something more.
After his disappearance, strange things began to happen. Thunder became louder. Lightning struck more often.
Sango is not gone.
He has become the storm.
Did you hear that?
That's not just thunder.
It's him.
I am no longer your king. I am your reckoning.
Sango was no longer just a king. He was now an Orisha, a divine force in Yoruba spirituality, the god of thunder.
To this day, his followers call his name during storms. They wear red, his color. They beat drums, his voice. And they honor the fire that once walked as a man. His symbols remain powerful. The double axe, balance and justice. Thunderstones, said to fall from the sky during lightning strikes. Fire, his essence. And the number 3, sacred to his energy. Sango is not just feared, he is revered. Across oceans, across centuries, Sango lives on. From Nigeria to Brazil to the Caribbean. When thunder rolls across the sky, some still say that is Sango speaking.
And so, the man became myth, the king became thunder, and the storm still remembers his name.
If you want more stories of gods, myths, and legends that shaped our world, subscribe and step into the unknown.